Recently, a new wave of attention has formed around Voyager 1 and the unusual ways people interpret the data it continues to send back from deep space. Across online discussions and speculative videos, some claims have become increasingly dramatic, suggesting that the spacecraft has somehow detected hundreds of massive hidden objects drifting beyond the edge of the solar system. While those interpretations make compelling stories, no official scientific report supports anything in that form. Yet the fascination behind these claims does come from something real and arguably even more extraordinary. Voyager 1 remains active in a region of space no human-made object has explored continuously for this long, and the measurements it sends back continue to reshape scientific understanding of what exists beyond the Sun's influence. Instead of discovering giant hidden worlds, Voyager has revealed that interstellar space itself is far more dynamic and structured than earlier generations imagined. What once seemed like empty darkness increasingly appears to be filled with invisible interactions, changing particle environments, and magnetic activity extending across unimaginable distances. The result is a mixture of careful science, evolving theories, and public imagination layered onto one of humanity's longest-running explorations. Voyager 1 began its journey in 1977 with a mission that looked very different from the one it performs today. It launched as part of the Voyager program's Grand Planetary Tour, taking advantage of a rare alignment of the outer planets to perform gravity-assisted flybys. This alignment allowed a spacecraft to gain momentum naturally from each world it visited, reducing the need for fuel and making deep exploration possible. During its encounters, Voyager transformed planetary science almost immediately. At Jupiter it revealed unexpected atmospheric complexity and captured close observations of intense storms and radiation environments. One of its most important discoveries came at Io, where active volcanism showed that geological activity was not unique to Earth. At Saturn, Voyager revealed ring structures far more detailed and dynamic than earlier telescopes had suggested. Instead of smooth bands, scientists found countless interacting ringlets behaving as evolving systems. Once these objectives were completed, Voyager continued outward rather than ending its mission. Decade after decade, it crossed regions of space never previously explored, eventually becoming humanity's first spacecraft to enter interstellar space. That historic transition did not happen with a visible boundary or dramatic crossing. There was no wall marking the end of the solar system. Instead, scientists recognized the moment through changes in particle behavior, shifts in plasma measurements, and variations in magnetic conditions. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the outer edge of the heliosphere where the solar wind ceases to dominate and the interstellar medium begins to take control. This achievement represented more than distance. It marked humanity's first direct contact with the environment between stars. What makes Voyager scientifically valuable today is not that it sees physical objects in the traditional sense but that it samples local conditions in a region previously accessible only through theory. Interstellar space behaves less like empty vacuum and more like a constantly changing plasma environment. Charged particles move through magnetic fields. Cosmic radiation rises and falls. Plasma densities shift over time. Voyager's instruments continue detecting changes in cosmic ray intensity, fluctuations in magnetic orientation, and low-frequency plasma oscillations sometimes described as a faint hum of interstellar space. These are not sounds as humans experience them but translated measurements representing wave activity moving through ionized matter. When heard or described without context, such signals can sound mysterious and encourage dramatic interpretations. But within astrophysics they are expected consequences of traveling through a magnetized environment shaped by nearby stars and ancient stellar explosions. Public misunderstanding often appears because scientific language sounds more mysterious than intended. Terms such as irregularities, fluctuations, density structures, turbulence, and anomalies can suggest hidden objects or artificial formations when separated from scientific context. In reality, Voyager is far too small and carries instruments far too limited to directly image distant bodies in interstellar space. Instead, it functions more like an environmental observer measuring conditions directly around itself. Yet those measurements are enormously valuable because they provide humanity's first direct sampling of conditions beyond the heliosphere and help explain how our solar system interacts with the wider Milky Way. The heliosphere itself has become one of Voyager's most important scientific stories. Earlier models often imagined it as a relatively smooth protective bubble surrounding the solar system. Data collected over time suggested something much more complicated. The heliosphere changes shape as solar activity rises and falls. It responds to incoming pressure from the interstellar medium and becomes distorted through magnetic interactions occurring across vast distances. Rather than behaving as a stable sphere, it appears more like a constantly shifting shield. Observations from Voyager 1, Voyager 2, and supporting missions help reveal regions of compression, uneven boundaries, and changing transition zones. These findings explain why different spacecraft crossed into interstellar space at different distances and why the transition appeared gradual in some measurements while sharper in others. The result changed how scientists think about our place in the galaxy. Our solar system is not isolated inside static emptiness but moves through an active galactic environment filled with invisible structure. Interstellar space contains streams of charged particles, changing radiation fields, and magnetic interactions that influence regions extending far beyond ordinary human imagination. Despite operating more than 4 decades after launch, Voyager continues to reveal information that once seemed impossible to collect directly. Every measurement reminds researchers that even regions appearing completely empty contain processes shaping the galaxy at scales difficult to visualize. In this sense, Voyager has become less of a spacecraft and more of a moving observatory recording conditions from one of the most distant human outposts ever created. As Voyager travels farther from Earth, engineering limitations become almost as remarkable as the discoveries themselves. The spacecraft was built using technology developed in the early 1970s. By modern standards, its processing ability and memory are extremely limited. Yet against expectations, it continues operating in an environment filled with radiation and extreme isolation. Its power comes from a radioisotope energy system that slowly weakens every year, forcing engineers to carefully manage which instruments remain active. Over decades, radiation exposure affects electronics and occasionally creates unusual behavior inside onboard systems. Engineers have faced situations where telemetry appeared corrupted even while the spacecraft itself remained healthy. One particularly unusual issue involved internal data routing problems that caused confusing readings despite the probe continuing to function normally. Communication itself has become a challenge unlike almost any other engineering task. Signals require more than 22 hours to travel one way between Earth and Voyager. Every command becomes a delayed conversation across enormous distances. Engineers send instructions and wait nearly an entire day before receiving confirmation. Diagnosing problems can take weeks because there is no possibility of immediate response. Each exchange becomes an act of patience carried out across deep time. Despite these limitations, Voyager continues producing valuable science. One of its most important contributions has been measuring cosmic radiation beyond the heliosphere. Results show that galactic cosmic rays become significantly stronger outside the Sun's protective influence, confirming that the heliosphere acts as a partial shield against high-energy particles arriving from distant astrophysical sources. This understanding matters not only for space physics but also for future missions attempting to travel deeper into space where radiation becomes a major challenge. Yet Voyager's earlier planetary discoveries remain just as important today as its interstellar measurements. Its observations changed understanding of giant planets, revealed active geological processes on moons, and showed that environments beyond Earth can remain dynamic for billions of years. EO demonstrated how tidal interactions can generate internal heating powerful enough to drive volcanism. Saturn's rings became recognized as evolving systems rather than static structures. Later exploration connected discoveries at Europa and Enceladus with the possibility of subsurface oceans and environments that may support conditions favorable to life. But Voyager carries something even more extraordinary than scientific instruments. Attached to the spacecraft is the Golden Record, a gold-plated archive containing images, sounds, music, and greetings from Earth. It was created as a message for any future intelligence that might encounter the spacecraft long after humanity itself is gone. Whether it is ever found is almost irrelevant. The record transforms Voyager from a scientific mission into a cultural artifact representing curiosity, exploration, and the desire to leave evidence that humanity once existed. In the end, Voyager's significance is not hidden structures or sensational interpretations of mysterious data. The real story is already extraordinary. It shows that interstellar space is not empty in the way earlier generations imagined. It contains subtle physical processes, magnetic interactions, radiation fields, and plasma dynamics that only become visible through long-term measurement. Voyager also reveals the limits of human-built machines while demonstrating how far human curiosity can reach. Its signals continue growing weaker. Its systems continue aging. Eventually there will be a final transmission. But even after that moment, Voyager will continue moving through the galaxy for millions of years, carrying with it both scientific history and a small record of a civilization that once looked up at the stars and chose to explore.